Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sheraton Imperial Kuala Lumpur Hotel. It's a 5-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, free parking, fitness center, non-smoking rooms, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. Located opposite Quill City Mall, just a 5-minute drive from Kuala Lumpur Monorail Station, Sheraton Imperial Kuala Lumpur Hotel offers accommodations amidst the hustle and bustle of Kuala Lumpur's city centre. It features an outdoor swimming pool and guests can enjoy meals from 5 of the in-house dining options. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the property. Easily accessible via the light rail transit, Wangi Station, or monorail, Medan Tuanku Station, Sheraton Imperial Kuala Lumpur is 15 minutes drive from Chinatown. It is only a 10-minute drive to Bukit, Bintang and Central Market. HSC Medical Center, Prince Court Medical Center and National Heart Institute are all within a 15-minute drive from the property. Kuala Lumpur International Airport and Kuala Lumpur International Airport 2, KLIA 2, are both an hour away by car. Modern rooms are fitted with a walk-in wardrobe, safe and ironing facilities. En-suite bathrooms include a bathtub and free toiletries. Guests can approach the 24-hour front desk for currency exchange, tour arrangements and concierge services. Guests can work out at the Sheraton Fitness Center or pamper themselves at the award-winning Mandara Spa. Italian cuisine is served in Villa Danieli while Essence serves international cuisine. Chinese cuisine is featured in Celestial Court Restaurant. Drinks are served in Pavilion's Lounge. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.